Hi, I'm Brett, one of the project managers with Trenchless Today. Recently we were in New Jersey working on a big project. We had one of our vendors come out for a little refresher training in pull in place. And we also had the foreman with the Franklin Township come out. And here's what they had to say.
I feel like these guys definitely learned something today, but it's one of those things where I was telling one of the gentlemen, Steve, that I learned something today too, because in this industry, you're always learning. It's like with anything you do, you're learning every single day. These guys at Trenchless Today, they definitely know how to, they know how to line pipe, they've been lining pipe, but just like anything, all processes are a little different. So today it was kind of like just coming out here and really just saying, hey man, are we doing this right? Are there different ways we can do that? So almost just kind of like doing what Primeline does, just supporting you guys, the customer, on a need basis where this application, wasn't the most familiar.
So this issue started a long time ago. This system's old in the area, a lot of infiltration. The manholes were old, so it was a rehab project we put out to install cleanouts at all the curbs. I think it was 200 houses got cleanouts. Then the laterals were lined. Or replaced in some situations. The main was lined, manholes were rehabbed, and then the contractor had some issues and there was roughly 1 foot sections left in the ground of old cast iron pipe in numerous spots throughout the area. And the GC found Trenchless Today and they came out right away. Just good company overall, organized, on point, and everybody worked together. Got the job done.
Here, let me see that again.